Hey! Mountain lion or something. Look at it.
It's a coyote. Oh shit! Yo, that's a coyote, man. Dust the face off. Let's see the face. Oh, this might get worse. What's the feet look like? It's a coyote. Look at the feet.
That's fucked. That's a coyote.
Look at the paws.
Huh?
Look at the paws. This is awesome. Let's see your camera. Is it still rolling? Camera's still rolling. Oh my god, it is. Okay, I'm gonna restart it. This is good ass. Oh my god. This is fucked. Frozen coyote.
Frozen solid in the ice.
Don't tell Samantha about this. She'll fucking freak. What do you think happened? Starved? Starved? Froze?
Who the fuck? Who knew, man?
Yo, pick it up and take it home. Put it on the wall for a memory.
Look at the blood. Look at the blood in the ice. Look at the blood in the ice.
So something got him then. Imagine he just comes alive.
Yeah, no, I was just thinking that.
Do you think he maybe fell through the ice and froze to death or something? Or
Well, he's bleeding, so
maybe he got hit by a sled or something? Or a car?
that's crazy. Frozen in the ice.
Guys, see what we're seeing?
Look at the blood, eh? Look at the blood. Unless somebody shot him. Could have been shot.
Yeah, shot and wandered.
And we saw this pile here earlier, right?
I thought it was a rock.
I thought it was a rock as well.
This is fucked. Not every day you find a fucking dead coyote just chilling on the ice. He must got
Unless maybe these guys thought the dogs were in trouble, so they shot him.
I don't fucking know. I don't see no bullet holes.
Blood everywhere. That's the concern.
Concerned? I'm not really. I don't think anything's concerned right now.
Yeah, but there's blood everywhere, and the thing's not eaten, so it wasn't an animal.
Well, you never know.
Remember we saw the otters here though a couple weeks ago? The otters.
Yeah, the otters got him. Yeah, the otters.
Oh, he might have been here to get the otters or something.
And then the otters struck back.
Yeah, they thought that. Look.
Oh, that's fucking nuts.
Out on his head?
You should get a picture of the fucking four-wheeler. Don't do it.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yo, let's do one more lap and get a beer.